To our beneficiaries in the beautiful province of Antique, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. First and foremost, let me extend my heartfelt gratitude to the team behind Project Hope, led by National Director Jonathan Cabalejo, for this meaningful initiative. Your dedication to empowering communities through livelihood programs is a true testament to the spirit of bayanihan and public service. Saludo po ako sa inyong lahat. To our beneficiaries, this day marks a new chapter in your lives. The livelihood program being turned over to you today is not just an opportunity, it is a symbol of hope, resilience, and a brighter future for you and your families. I encourage each one of you to make the most out of this opportunity. Use it to build a better tomorrow and uplift not only your own lives but also your communities. As we move forward, let us continue to work together in fostering an environment where every Filipino has access to opportunities for growth and development. Together, we can achieve a more prosperous and inclusive nation. Muli, maraming salamat sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Project Hope at sa ating mga kababayan sa Antique. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.